Ready to ditch the typing and level up your Minecraft communication? First, head over to CursorForge, a popular website for Minecraft mods. Search for simple voice chat. Locate the mod developed by Henkel Max. Double check the author to avoid any imposters. Next, click on the Files tab here. You'll see various versions of the mod. Select the version that's compatible with the Minecraft version you're playing, usually the most recent one. This is very important. Download the mod file. Now, find your Minecraft installation folder. To do this, open your Minecraft launcher, click Installations, choose the profile you are using, and click on the folder icon beside Game Directory, which will open your games folder. Inside this folder, you should see a mods folder. If it's not there, create a new folder and name it mods, all lowercase. Take the simple voice chat mod file you downloaded and drag it into your mods folder. It's that simple. Launch Minecraft and ensure the mod is enabled within your installation. Go into your game, navigate to Options, then Controls, and find the voice chat settings here. You can adjust your microphone, output volume, and other audio settings to your liking. Once everyone in your group has installed the mod, it will magically work. When you are in the game, just use your voice. Talk with your friends and coordinate your epic adventures. Get ready to have tons of fun and communicate with ease.